location, let's focus on communication, cause I just need the time and place to come through. Send me your location, let's ride the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but you. At times I wonder why I fool with you, but this is new to me. This is new to you. Initially, I didn't wanna fall for you. Gather my attention, it was all for you. So don't take advantage of my heart. Damn it, to understand nothing. Go a little bit better when you turn it. Give me your location, let's focus on communicating, cause I just need the time and place to come, time and place to come. Send me your location, vibration. I don't need nothing else to say. I don't. Send me your location, vibration. I don't need nothing else to say. I don't. Send me your location, let's focus on communication, cause I just need the time and place to come through. Send me your location, let's ride the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but you. Give me your location, let's focus on communicating, cause I just need the time and place to come, time and place to come. Send me your location, vibration. I don't need nothing else to say. I don't. Send me your location, vibration. I don't need nothing else to say. I don't.
So, the sky is currently falling. Yeah, starting to snow a little more. It was snowing the whole way, but the snowflakes are getting thicker. We just went along that ridge. That was fun.
Climbed up that. I'm telling him that.
Yeah, totally. So, yeah, we went along that ridge up there. Climbed up this right here. We don't want to go that way, but we're headed that way into the
abyss.
Yeah, going into the clouds. Oh, the snow makes it look so cool. Starting to snow quite a bit since I said anything. Like immediately after I stopped that, it started just pounding. Yeah, well, not that bad, but still, it's gonna be a little annoying.
Tell me something that I don't know. With the crowd bouncing like bogles, you can come on the tour bus, just please no photos. Fuck their eye like Somo, cause we be going off on the off nights. Cause I've been on every single song I put my pin on now. They don't know, or maybe they starting to, cause I work so hard that it's hard to lose. Top spot, I'm taking that face to face. Got a bottle in my hand, I'm facing that. Cause if winning is a habit, then I've been an addict. Every night it's cinematic. When you roll with us, and we won't live forever, but I will remember when I met you in the summer. And I came to your town. We fell in love, then we burned it to the ground. And we could be together, baby, but I gotta leave soon. Everybody's listening now, but we got nothing to lose. When I met you in the summer, when I met you in the summer,
So we started going, it started to snow a lot more.
So we're throwing on layers.
Yeah, I just threw on one little layer.
The only other layer we brought, okay?
Hey. Yeah, don't go that way, that's a cliff. That way's better, but we're not going that way. We're going that way.
Summertime with your fine ass. Merlot in that wine glass. She dope as hell from Jersey, baby. White girl, but the curves are crazy. And she up all night like Adderall. She like sushi too, we compatible. And these other guys having so they mad to know. Cause I'm ill like a dragon roll. Got cover girls in my room. They don't need no makeup though. They just trying to party. Live too fast to take it slow. Got summer flings and these summer things. But we just making memories. Just promise you'll remember me in that time. When I met you in the summer.
Oh, the treadmill. Ah. We're going up that way? This is so steep. Like, this is flat. That is flat. That's how steep it is. It's crazy. And it's freaking shale, so it's like a treadmill. Sucks. But it's all worth it in the end. We don't know how far it is because you can't really see it because of all the snow. But yeah, we're gonna have lunch in here. Cool little cave, but tunnel more mostly. So we're gonna eat in here.
Got some bird homes.
Yeah.
Houses.
I got pie, 2 apples, a lot of Slim Jims, Nature Valley bars. And what did you bring?
1 apple.
I know.
Family's bread.
Yeah, we're gonna survive on these.
But it's organic. Don't panic.
Yeah, what is he doing? It's awesome that it's snowing, but it's just gonna make it a lot more difficult.
It's coming down. It's gonna be a slip and slide the entire way down.
Yeah, we're gonna probably go down the shale field, not the same way we came up, definitely not along the ridge. I want to survive.
You don't want to down climb one wet rock.
But we're probably just gonna go down the shale the whole way with the snow. It's literally snowing sideways right now. I don't know if you guys can see it that well, but pretty snowy out there. Where was this during the winter? It's like March, but midwinter we didn't get any snow. It sucked. Decided that the snow's made it way too dangerous. It's just so slick. We're probably gonna come back when there's no snow. Totally do it again because it looks so much fun. I don't think we're gonna find another way up.
Our lives
Dead.
down climb that in the snow. Very difficult. There's either that or bushwhack down like oak trees up to our face. Yeah, we did that for a little while. And now we're back on the trail and we'll talk to you at the bottom. Peace.
close enough. I wanna lock in your love. I think we're close enough. Could I lock in your love, baby? I feel we're close enough. I wanna lock in your love. I think we're close enough. Could I lock in your love, baby? I've got you in my space. I won't let go of you. Got you shackled in my embrace. I'm locked in on you.
Oh my gosh.